Welcome back to another YouTube video. Today, we're gonna be taking a deeper dive into our viral Blackline reset. So one, we're gonna be showing you guys how to properly use it. And then we're also gonna be answering our most commonly asked question of what surfaces can reset actually be used on. So let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so before you ever buy a bottle of reset, you actually have 5 different scents to choose from. One being Italian leather, dark ice, wild cherry, teakwood, and then even oasis. They're all absolute bangers, so whichever one you do choose, you're not gonna go wrong. With that being said, let's go and jump in the car and show you what surfaces reset can actually clean. Quick disclaimer before you start cleaning everything on your interior is to note that the only thing that reset can't clean is your glass. And that's just because it's gonna streak way more than glass cleaner, and you might as well just use glass cleaner. The first surface that you can use your reset scent interior cleaner on is simply your leather. So right here, I do have vegan leather, but this works on any leather types. Whether it's an old box Chevy or even a brand new Tesla, reset scent interior cleaner works pretty much any seat surface that you do have. It's gonna work on, and it's super safe. If you do have contamination, I would recommend picking up a brush to simply do some agitation. And as you can tell, our reset scent interior cleaner foams up like crazy. The next surface that you can actually use reset on is your plastics. So on the back of the seat is straight plastic. And this stuff is super safe. It's not gonna streak. It's gonna leave it right back to factory new. So because of that, we don't need a brush, but we are simply gonna spray it on there and just wipe away with a microfiber. Looks like someone took a chip out of my back seat. That is not dirt, that's a actual chip. But either way, simply spray it on, wipe it off. You're gonna be left with a completely streak-free matte finish every single time, even on plastic. All right, the next surface that you can use our reset on is gonna be fabric, cloth, and even carpets like I have here. They all fall under the same category, and it works the same on every single surface. Okay, so here we have a carpet along with our dark ice reset, and I would recommend an extractor, especially when doing carpets and cloth seats. We're gonna show you how safe it is and then the scent that it leaves behind. So we're gonna take the reset, simply spray it all over the carpet. Now, I will say this carpet is not that dirty, so it's not the best example, but if you do have a dirty seat, this is the way to do it. Absolutely soak your whole carpet down in reset. You're then even gonna wanna take a brush and simply agitate all the reset in there. That is if you have dirt. Now, I don't have dirt, but I'm just gonna do it for the fun of it. Simply agitate the whole carpet. And more or less brush out any contaminants that you may have. Then we're gonna turn on our extractor here. And you could even load reset into the extractor and spray it on like that, but we just have water in there for right now. Put your extractor down there and start extracting. So that's how to simply shampoo and then extract your carpets or even your cloth seats. You can follow the exact same process if you do have cloth seats. But now we're gonna move on to the final surface being our floor mat. So in this demonstration, you're not necessarily gonna have too much of the scent left behind because it is just rubber plastic. Compared to the cloth or the carpets where you're literally soaking it in the scent, the rubber might not hold as much scent compared to doing your carpets. But either way, let's get into it. All right, so as you can tell, these are slightly dirty. They're not terrible. So it's gonna be perfect for reset to clean them up. So simply just a couple sprays onto the surface of your mat. Then we're gonna take the stiff tire brush that we used in the last demo and do the exact same thing here, scrubbing the full length of the floor mat. All right, so if you don't have access to water hose, you can obviously just use a microfiber to kind of wipe this stuff away, but I will say that's gonna take a while, and we have access to water, so I'm just spraying this thing off. All right, so like I said, I got the hose, and we're just gonna spray this thing off. There we go, a perfectly clean floor mat along with every other surface that we used our reset scent interior cleaner on. That just goes to show that you don't need a super powerful, super concentrated cleaner just to clean the basic necessities of your vehicle. And the best part on top of our reset scent interior cleaner being safe on every surface in your car is that it has a premium scent behind it. So every time you go to clean your car, whether that's your seats, your carpets, even your front dash, you can use a reset scent interior cleaner and be left with a premium scent behind and absolutely no contamination either. So I'm gonna put a link for our reset scent interior cleaner. You can pick between 5 different scents, but I hope this helps the next time you guys go to use your reset scent interior cleaner. Just know it's literally safe on every surface besides glass and screens. So go ahead and check the links out down below, like, comment, subscribe, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.